It is just signs that like it's still dead. I mean, like everything is just like so fragmented, right?
Bro,
And then
but I
yeah,
agree, but like hear me out. This is the time that you should start paying attention, because this is the time that you can tell people that I was early back in memes, because like this is the turning point. That's what I'm saying. Like
really,
this feels like the turning
you
point
think so?
of this might be the turning point of meme are able
Mm.
to bootstrap again. Like,
I just wanted to let you know, jail's not that bad. It's
All views expressed by the hosts and guests in this podcast are solely their opinions and do not reflect the opinions of their respective employers. Guests and hosts may maintain positions in the assets discussed in this podcast. This podcast is for informational purposes only, and nothing in the podcast is intended to be financial, legal, or even life advice.
GM
Jim, are you looking at Seeker Phone?
Seeker Phone. Oh, the Solana one. Not really, because I had the old one. I had the old one. I don't know if I had the Seeker one. Like I think they rugged me because I bought I think like the second gen, and then that one is dead.
Look at the chart, bro. Chart of it.
Let's see, is it very good? Basically,
Today
300% up here. Wow.
And it's actually, the phone is pretty slick, to be honest. Like, not that I would use it over an iPhone or something.
That's the third gen, right? Because they did the first phone, they did the second one with a lot of the bonk airdrop that was delayed by a year, and this is the third one.
I don't even know which one is it. I just bought it and make sure the airdrop cover my cost, and I just move on.
I'm like, that's what I thought, but then like I got rocked because I bought the second one instead. So again, it's like delayed by like a year and more, and then by the time I get it, like all the bongs are dead.
Okay, before I give you the ticker, what if it has a meme coin that Tuli from Solana endorsed it? Not endorsed it, but interacted with it twice. Would you buy that meme coin?
A meme inside the Seeker Phone, or just like a meme in Solana?
The mascot of the Seeker Phone.
Probably not at this market. I mean, like even if I do, it's like I'll sell it like
ape.
What?
At what market cap would you ape?
Below 5 or below 10, and I'll only sell it like a 2x. It's like between there, you know, like I need to look at the volume and so on, but like it's between 5 to 10, yeah.
Let's see. Let's see. Can I show this? I just sent you the ticker in the group chat. Share screen. Just go on deck screen or something. Yeah, I just aped it literally 1 minute ago. Market top blast.
God damn it, this guy. Okay, wait.
The tweet that they were shilling it as well. It's pretty fucking direct, you know.
Yeah. It's very direct because it's horse betting, isn't it?
No. I'm saying no. Go to the tweet that I shared you in the group chat.
Yeah. Like
he totally literally just quote tweet the meme page exactly.
Yeah, like
most horse friendly crypto phone of the year award, and then and then this profile, you click it. Bro, this is 700K with the bit, bro.
Solana is good at doing this stuff where you see like Vitalik is saying like, I'm gonna work on decentralized social. Let's go. Okay, should I ape? Man, I'm just buying your top blast.
Just buy. Say less. Just buy a bit.
Nah.
Just buy. Okay. You regret it. All
right. Okay. What have you been up to, man?
I'm more. I've been back in the trenches a little bit more. Actually, it's been quite fun.
Is it actually back? Okay, wait. Let's look at total market cap and like all of that. I mean, bro, like the price is going down, and you're still like doing trenches. Wow, this guy is a good trench warrior. Let's talk about the trenches first. But before we go that, I just wanna share my screen and go back to what I used to do, but not anymore. Oh my God, TA 101. Let's go. A quick question: when you do trenches, what metrics do you see when you decide that okay, trenches are back? Is it like volume on pump fund? Is it like the total the total market cap excluding like Bitcoin? Like what are you looking at?
Gut feel, shoot from the hip.
God damn it, man. Okay, Thanks.
Okay. Be real. For me, is okay. I don't trench like just pure PvP. I'm an event-driven thing. So if something happens that I think other trencher will go, I'll just go in with like small size first, and then
I see.
if depending on how that goes, it will win. But the thing is, like, because I think I'm better than most common trench, right? Like, even though it won't run up to 100 mil, but like I still make some money in between. And then for me, I look for potential like trend changing things. Actually,
Bro, talking about trench, holy shit!
Yeah.
Like, was this discussed in the Chinese CT? Because this is the company that was acquired by Justin Sun, right?
Yeah. I've been riding this shit, man. Like, it's fucking crazy. Like, look at the funding.
Yo, why did you ping me, bro? What the hell?
Conviction, not a convicted bet lah. And then like,
Yo,
it's a small,
man, this guy.
But look at the funding rate first, bro. Look at the funding rate. There's a lot of people trying to short it, and they just keep liquidating them.
Just buy spot lah. Like, what you need to do margin for this kind of stuff.
I've been I started selling at $20, bro. So like, I'm in pain.
Come on,
I'm still selling.
That's
I'm still
like pretty
pain.
good. If you buy it like even if you buy it $5 to like $20, that's fine.
It's okay, but I didn't buy
like this is
the
bullshit.
Fact that you
anyway.
know that I'm not LARPing. You know I didn't buy too much.
Man, you should have told me. Damn, like this is actually really good. But yeah, like this is not.
Bro, I told you GSD, but you don't read the group chat, bro.
No, like I read that, but like this is more memes, right? Like I want something with like a story, like the Justin Sun one.
Bro, this is as strong as a story. All right, fuck it. Let's get right into it.
Okay.
Like, let me FOMO the shit out of you. Like, so let's go to the screen to share my tweet. What is Bags app? All right. So Bags app, it's a new app that basically started.
Wait, you want me to go to your X, right? Sorry.
I shared the link in the group. What is Bags app?
Let me find that.
It's a little bit bullshit now that I say it out loud, but like, but basically, anyone can launch a token on behalf of someone. Okay, so let's say I'm the common practice right now is people who has a very good GitHub. There was like 2K stars GitHub open source, and then many people use it. Then you can create a coin on behalf of them. And then if they were to verify their Twitter or whatever, GitHub or something, they can claim the fees.
Okay.
And then so it makes it, if you go to their app right now, if you go to their app.
Yeah, I've clicked on it. There you go.
So don't go to launch, just click their logo on the left. And then go to, click any one of them lah. Let's say, yeah. And then, okay, so basically, if you see created by, that is like anyone that can launch it. And then royalties 100% to this guy. So this guy can be contributing to your open source software, some artwork, whatever, right? That the point is, they can, if they once they verify their profile, they can claim their earnings basically. So like the fee goes towards the artist, the developer, or whatever. And then speculation.
Wait. Mm-hmm. I just want to like take a step back a bit. Wait, so anybody can launch it, right? So like, let's say if you are the developer and I see that you have a good GitHub profile. But I just randomly want to launch a coin for you. Like, how does that work?
So that's the interesting part. I can launch whatever coin, and then you can claim it or not. So like that's why you see people begging, oh, bro, just claim the coin. Oh, stop doing open source shit. You need some money, man. Don't be a broke developer. Like basically, you can see these kind of shit all the time. And
okay,
then,
so it's like belief, but with a different twist. Yeah.
Yeah. So like the person don't have to launch a coin with all the risks, like a legal risk, all those fucking shit, right? Basically. Okay.
I see.
So then the meta trench. So they were actually top 3 in Launchpad for fees for past 7 days or something like that. But what happened is that the speculation flow is that you launch a coin, then you check up, you're like, hey, yo, is this like oh, this guy has 3K people on GitHub, etc. Then they're betting will they claim their earnings, and then typically we get a pump once you get the earnings. Obviously, the guy can just say, oh, fuck you, I just claimed just because I claimed the fee doesn't mean that I'm going to endorse this coin, right?
Yeah,
so that's the other interesting part. So what happened is that there was 2 runners. One is Gas, which is some interesting developer stack or some shit like that. Then there's another called RAF, which is a way to develop or some shit like that. those are big two runners. The controversial part of Gas is that the developer acknowledged it, wrote a proper blog about it, and then they'll be like, hey, but my life is devoted in development, not in Twitter shouting for you guys. And then that token just went to like 40 or 50 mil and then it dropped back down. If you go to deck screening right now, then you see like basically that's the chart went pretty.
Which one? Okay, there's a lot of gas. I need to probably find the CA here first. Oh, this one, right? The 1.6 mil.
Yeah, it was up to 40 mil. It looked like a proper fucking run, bro.
And then there's like copy, right? There's like even like 4 of them right now that you just see on my screen. Yeah, this is this chart. Holy, hey, Burj Khalifa.
Hey. But yeah, but instead, yeah. So then bags were like down for a little bit, but the reason why I showed gas at 700K in the group chat and to you is that, let me even share this just to prove my point.
Hey yo,
like, I can't. So like this is our group chat, right? I know you're busy, so you missed it, but thank you for that.
Shit.
So basically, like I rarely go hard shilling something, but I have a really good feeling on this. Basically, so what happened is that I found this coin and be like, hey, it might be a small play here at 600K ish. I went in, I shared. The reason why is Gas was having like some weird token problems. They claimed the token, but they didn't want to do anything. They were just like, let me just do this. Like he just kind of fucked off, right? And I thought, like, if BagZap have to work, Solana wants to like initiate some new initiative. Like everyone knows, right? They want to walk away a little bit from pump fund, right? They need to support these kind of like bullshit method, which is like a bit of fundamental, right? Then this guy that basically it's like a with some GitHub that's called Get Shit Done is very, very famous. I don't actually know, to be very honest. I looked at it. A lot of people are using it. I had some Google AI shit. It was like, yeah, it's a real thing. And this guy streams a lot, right? So he's like a 30K follower on YouTube, and then and then on that day he streamed about like how he someone created a token on behalf of him. Then he read about the token, the guy's article, like Gas's guy article, and then be like, hey, this is pretty interesting. And then what happened was that he was like, all right, cool. And then he does his regular stream doing some developer shit. Like, to be honest, like, I don't really care. And then like, he was like, all right, fuck it. Let's just do a CTO. And then he lively CTO'd this stuff. And then
so he just CTO'd Gas.
He CTO'd Gas, which is his own GitHub thing.
Okay.
And then so like since then he's been ultra active, right? Like and then
this is like this is crazy.
Generational fumble, bro. That's why you should read my message and just listen to me and just ape. You know what the funny thing is here? Imagine if
retired now.
No, I've been losing too much. I only bought like yeah, it's only like holiday money, not like fucking yeah. Sadly, I was not. So basically, like yeah. So it started pumping a lot. Right now, it got pumped to like 9 mil this morning. And then like he's active as fuck, bro. Like he's active as fuck. I can't find his handle. Yeah. And then he's still like talking about his coin daily. He got on like various. What's his fucking name? That's how bad I am with these things, right? Here, yeah. So like this guy. So basically, he would arrange himself to go on different streams to talk about his coin.
Yeah,
yeah. Internet. Then he posts on YouTube that this internet strangers gave me like he's like devoted to this shit. And so I'm like, yeah, bro, and like, and so I mean, even at 7 or 9 mil, I still think it's a pretty good one.
Got it. But yeah. Got it.
Yeah, mistake, bro.
That's cool, man.
Mistake, bro.
Okay, since we're in this topic, might as well. Seems like you've been back on the trenches, even though the trenches isn't even that alive, but it's like interesting. Okay, like what's next? I saw you shared me something about the Microsoft thingy.
Oh shit, that's funny shit as well. Let me share screen again. To be very honest with you, this is not financial advice nor.
Okay, give me.
Can you hear the video? Can you hear the video? Can you hear the video?
Nope.
Now?
Nope. I cannot.
Okay. Basically, this is like the, I don't know, do you remember? But like this thing from Microsoft.
Yeah. I'm like old enough. It's the small
Yeah.
thingy that popped up at the bottom right of your.
Bro, this
we're
guy,
like showing our age, bro.
I saw this. I was like, yo, shit, this is pretty funny. Like, so the artist of this decided to launch this coin. I was like, oh yeah, the young guys probably don't know, like don't know this. It's probably shit. So I only ate like a few like 2 SOL in or something like that for fun. But then the main reason why is because I saw this fucking guy's comment. He kind of looks like Miran, bullish. That's why I fucking bought it. But surprisingly, he's doing not bad actually right now. It actually went up by.
I can get behind this. It's just more of like supporting like an artist. Like even if you like, you can argue it's like,
if you really support him,
not...
you should just donate to him, bro. This guy's fucking washed. He's probably run out of money. That's why he's doing this, man.
No, I know.
But yeah, that's
okay.
mainly just
wait. One alpha for our listeners. Who are you following other than you, so that your timeline is filled with this stuff? Like my timeline, I don't know if it's like Nikita Beer pushing down crypto algo. I've been getting AI, and like TradFi macro, like instead of like this stuff. So like I feel like I need to make a list just to follow like the trench right now.
Bro, I'm not even like shilling my own shit. Like bro, I literally use this. This is literally what I use. So I use this, and then I just look for like whatever ticker is popping up, and I search the buy
and
the
then
ticker.
You would look at on Twitter.
Yeah. So what happened is that I go to trench part. I look at what smart money is buying, and then like either here the past hour or like there's recent ticks that random shit people are buying, and then I search the ticker on Twitter and Telegram, and then from there I just grind, because like the algo is fucked right now. You can't Twitter has became a verifying information thing instead of a like alpha finding because of the algo.
Yeah, I see. So you looked at which one has the momentum first, and then you go to X, just look for the ticker, basically.
Yeah, like GST, right? If I see this, I'll go.
Do we have a referral code for MTS?
No. It's just a free tool, bro.
I see. Okay.
But yeah,
we should do more of a session next time. Yeah,
to go over it. Yeah, for sure, bro, for sure. But yeah, like basically that's about it, really. Like it's pretty good. Fucking hell, like you know that Trump tweet from yesterday, from White House.
Which one? The one that he said he wants Greenland?
Did they delete the tweet? No, they just tweet a lot.
What was the tweet about?
Yeah, basically they posted this.
Okay.
And then like I don't know what it means, but like I'm guessing it's supposed to be like Trump's coin or something. Like it turns out to be something like that, but like there's 2 big memes that are running because of this, called memes, and then the pair is USD1. Full disclosure, I'm in this one as well.
Maybe you need to type the USD1. Yeah, there's gonna be a lot of memes. Yeah.
So there's one in the BNB chain one that's going quite okay, I guess. Why can't I see the chart? Yeah. I'm in this though, so like please buy my bag. And then there's a Solana version of it, but like surprisingly Solana version of it, it's going very fucking shit.
Yeah, man. This is why like I actually, okay, dude, like I love that you're still like paying attention to like all of this, but to me it is just signs that like it's still dead. I mean, like everything is just like so fragmented, right?
Bro,
and then,
but I agree. But like, hear me out. This is the time that you should stop paying attention, because this is the time that you can tell people that I was early back in memes. Because like this is the turning point. That's what I'm saying.
Really,
like, this is like the turning point.
You think so?
This might be the turning point of meme are able to bootstrap again. It's like you can if you join at the top, you just get like 2 to 5x, man. Like let's be real.
Right.
So every time it might be a potential change, you should just devote a few days of your time into it. Like Believe app,
that's
fair. Last, right? Like Believe app, like the whole medium rate ate well because we were day one trenching, and then that's the same for bags as well. That's what we're trying to do.
Yeah, like this is really more of just like, I think you can like, it's good like holiday money, and then you can like pay attention to it still. But yeah, like I don't know, maybe I'm like too washed on this, but it's like there's so many like different things, and it's like so like it feels so fragmented, you know, like there's the BNB one, there's a Sol one, there's this and that, and then like it's almost like you have to just like ape and then like exit at like a 3x. That's it. Yeah.
In my opinion, if I were you, my strategy right now is to ape 2 SOL, 5 SOL, 10 SOL, 20 SOL, depending on my mood and the conviction, and I don't cut loss. Because like those are money that you can burn, right? But like at this rate, at this market cap, if any of them can run to 20, 50, 60 mil plus, then you're done. If that makes sense. Like for this little trend. Then like it's just about sizing and timing, right? But obviously because you're very busy, so there might be some limited.
No. But it's good. It's good. I mean, like it. Like I still like ape on. I mean, like this is good. I think we should talk a lot more about like that. Like your like product. It should be part of like somebody's daily check. So you can look at the trending and then you at least get a pulse on like what's going on with the market.
Bro, you really don't read my fucking Twitter. Go share your screen and go to my Twitter right now, dickhead.
I read it, bro. What are you saying?
Jeez. No.
Wait. Here, screen, Lambros. Okay, like, which one?
Every day I share this now, like this.
This right? Yeah. Penguin troll.
Yeah. I was gonna do it for hour per hour, but I thought it was too spammy. But the truth is, per hour is a little bit more effective in my opinion.
But if you go per hour, then you should, I think, make a separate account because you would look like those like Signal, like X account, like back in the days.
But I bro, my scans in a group chat is like fucking 20 or 30 scans a day again. So I think it's okay, a lot different now.
Got it. Cool, dude. Okay. I mean, you were saying something that I was going to segue into, but I forgot. Okay, so we've pretty much covered the majority of the meme stuff. Now let's move into ICOs, our favorite thing in the world. ICO, yay!
Yeah. Let's go.
Did you get rug in any of the ICO?
No, I'm taking a break on ICOs.
Why?
It's either limited size with limited upside, or it's I put a lot in and then I fuck up. So if I were to go to ICO, sometimes I just rather do either pre-market or polymarkets.
I see. So you're saying that, wait, this is actually a very good observation. Like I want to stop on here first because you're saying for people like you who's like power users, you have like a certain amount of money and so on. The majority of the ICO is that it's too small, right? So you only get like 3K, 5K, 10K is like pretty rare, right? And then very limited upside, only like 2, 3, 4X, which you can get by perps or even by like longing memes. Or if they allow you to go in big, typically it's either a rug or the entrance cost is very high, like Plasma, right? Like Plasma, well, you have to deposit millions to like get like 100K of like allocation, right?
And like Mega Eve, right? Like I max cap it and it gave me 2K allocation. I'm like, brother,
because you're not locking
I look like a fucking beggar. like no, what the fuck am I gonna do with 2K?
Wait, because you're not locking it, right?
Yeah, but it's normal, no? I gave you like fucking 100 something K for a month, and then I can commit 2K. Then I wait another 6 months, brother. Have you heard something called yield farming, bro? Like I can yield farm with a higher return than this. Like bro, like are you? I don't know, man. Like don't get me wrong. I respect them, and probably like super bullish people will enjoy that. But like, bro, as a B plus B minus convicted bet, like it's like why? It's more like why would I want to do it, right? But I've got my allocation, might as well kind of thing. Like since then, I've been a little bit more careful what I want to.
I see. Makes sense. Okay. So now I get your logic why you're like still much more focused on like trenches and so on. Let's talk markets. Are you still trading at all? Do you think we're going down further because like the whole run up was just Michael Saylor?
Bro, I'm not even gonna show you. Like my trade has been relatively shit. I'm
Wait a minute. Oh, okay, I can see your screen. Oh shit. Okay.
I'm longing story. I think
man, like your choice of coin is always very interesting. So you heard some crime, basically.
No, I believe in the crime. No, because if you look at the chart, right? Because the thing is like, okay, first there's a few things, right? His past track record has proven him that he is a person that would do it. There are some rumors that there's something happening. There's and then at here they were starting to pull it, right? You see, like a few days ago, it was aggressive drag. Then the funding rate was heavily negative. And then,
but isn't that just because of Bitcoin pumping? So it's just like the
no. It was right before Bitcoin was pumping. So like in my opinion, this was what Bitcoin pumping, and then Bitcoin chilled a little bit, right? Then it did this aggressive move. It was the outrunner, the whole market. I actually made like around 20 or 30K here, and then I took some profit, and then I didn't long here. I was waiting, and I saw longing here, and then dun basically. But I'm comfy in long because like my funding rate is like what 5K because how typically the funding rate is fucked on it.
Yeah.
But like, but yeah, in general, I think it's not a bad bet. Maybe I'll come back. Then I'm like just punting some like let me just show you this. I lost some money here trying to crime. Because like I saw they're doing some updates and stuff. Wait, view more in portfolio. Yeah, so I've been doing like some of these like crime and
so rich.
I've been shorting a lot of I've been shorting a lot of like these coins of like the typical L2 coins lah. Like these ones.
Did you see that guy that made like 40 million like shorting like a basket?
Yeah. I'm not surprised to
Yeah.
be honest, but the thing is like his margin has to be like fucking humongous, bro. That's why I
Yeah.
can't, because I only put like 30K here or 20 something K in this account, so I can't short
So
that much. Like,
so your main strategy of your like portfolio is still like what? Like, are you just like farming stables and buying Bitcoin?
no, so on my Sex account, I'm actually still shorting a bunch of stuff. So
Okay.
and then I'm trading on Nando's a little bit as well. Like
Nando, yeah. Nando's is on Nando's, bro. Like I was like fucking Nando's, man. Like, this guy, yo, they should make that their meme coin, man. I'm gonna ping them, bro. Yo, like you need your own purr, and it should be called Nando's.
they just like, because like I was just casually trading there, and then like, but I'm not very good at trading majors. I'm actually down like a few $100 there. So but it's pretty interesting. They just did this. So a few comments on that, right? Right now they have too limited of an option for me to trade, like as an altcoin guy. So I've only done maybe a mil or two volume there by directionally trading. And then but then their points campaign recently
Started, yeah.
They recently started, but like as an early guy, you can pick either fee refund, points, or NFT, and I minted the NFT, which is kind of interesting.
Yeah. Okay, here's a question. Why aren't you, or are you using like Try.fi and so on? Is it because you like to actually make directional trades? Because I don't care. I just want to get volume.
I don't like. I don't know, to be very honest with you, because like I don't really believe in making fake volumes, and it gives me a good measurements of like. First, I think it's a bit late in the meta just to. For me right now, I'm like I might as well trade there because I'm trading anyways. I'm still doing 80% of my trades in my centralized exchange account. It's like, why not have some airdrop, right? Kind of thing.
Yeah, because like I think the difference with us is like you like trading is like your, or like one of your daily thing is to look at the perps market and to actually make a trading positions. Like for me, like I don't do that. So like I just want to make sure that I hit my volume goal like every day. I would only take the trades like every few months. Yeah.
But it's fucking annoying, right? Like, you know what? If they actually worked out well, you will actually get a lot more airdrop than me, which is the part I don't like about perk for now. Like,
yeah,
come on, man. Like, bro, if my monthly trading volume, let's say I give them 25% of my trading volume, and out of like 3 weeks, I got a mil. I got 1 mil. I don't think I'm like a small ass dickhead, right? Like, obviously, I'm not as high volume as those high frequency, but at the same time, you're like, then why like I'm a real user. I'm the guy that doesn't care about slippage. I'm the guy that doesn't care about fucking funding rates. I just want to directionally bet, right? Like, if I'm not happy there, who will be happy there?
I'm pretty sure they should be able to have a way to reward users like you more, but it might just be because then, the like incentive is just different, right? So that's why it's because like they all want revenue. That's why it's a bit annoying. Yeah.
But brother, I held my lighter, man. My bags are feeling extremely lighter.
Wait, but it went up first, right? To like $3 something.
I sold like 20 or 30K off my airdrop, like, and I think I still have like 60 or 70K, and then I guess now I only have like 30K left. Like, fuck it.
But that's a pretty good airdrop, bro. Yeah. Okay, price prediction.
I believe.
Wait, are you working on anything that's related to Polymarket, but similar to the bot that you made? Sorry, not the bot, the screener that you make with your friend.
Polymarket?
Yeah.
We were exploring doing that, but then it's very hard because like a lot of markets will have one or two insider that will move the whole market. So I think following so-called smart wallet doesn't make sense because like every market has a different guy. But I was thinking to do like for sports book, etc. Then I realized that the book is actually very thin as well. Then fuck it.
The book is very thin. Yeah. No, the reason I'm saying that is, and also because like again, since we're like focusing on like more like trading and like opportunities in this call, like I think instead of like news, because like the news is like pretty boring. But I've been getting a lot more friends, like smart friends, who has like argued and kind of convinces me that Polymarket farming is still very underfarmed. Like they're probably the only token that's going to launch at above 5 billion. Like even it might be like 5 to 10, right? That is when you looked at the OI and like all of it, it's still very underfarmed. I'm not sure how to farm it because I'm a lazy ass and like I don't like to actually like. I wish there's a bot that I can just click to like farm the Polymarket for me. But yeah, so if you're building that,
is very big. I tried doing this. It's quite hard and capital intensive because there's a few logic to it, right? Like, so the first is, do you want to, because I spoke to some guys about it. So the logic is this: do you want to, first is, how do you think they're going to incentivize? Are they incentivize limit orders or market takers? Based on their giving incentives to limit orders, people think it's limit orders. That means you have to actually put limit orders. That means it's capital inefficient. Secondly, how do you not lose money because of the fees, the slippage, and then obviously the market cap is small. And then, so that's why you see there's a lot of like last minute volume right before the resolve.
Yeah.
Because people are just like either delta neutral trading it or doing some shit. But It's hard, man. I don't know. If you come up with a solution, can I put some money in with you? That's all I ask.
If we come up with a solution, yes. But I think like just like how you are making trading part of your like daily checklist, you know, like with I'm like trying to make Polymarket my daily checklist, you know, see if I can like bet like 5K, 2K like here and there, like stuff like that, and then see how it goes. Wait, actually, I want you to see if you can break down the anatomy of a crime using Polymarket. So this is kind of related to like ICO crime that recently happened, right? Explain to our audience, or like we can just jam on it. If you're a team, what are the hypothetical scenario the team might crime using Polymarket?
There's a lot of ways to do it, actually. So high level speaking, there's a few things. First is there's the dates where you can shift it around. There are dates that you can shift around, so you can win based on your bet. Secondly, is it's very common where people can do what is the total amount raised in that race, etc. Right? But the thing is, like, people don't realize in a lot of the fine prints or in the ICO fine prints is that you can actually redeem
you can redeem the money that you have like deposited.
Yes, right? You can pull out. That means that
yeah.
if I bet 100K, then I can win 500K. I can actually put 5 mil in and pull it out, and then I will make it 500K. So it's very easy for either the team or any external people that wants to crime it, basically.
So usually, is it fair to say that that whoever are the insiders that want to crime it, they would create the markets on Polymarket, right? Then they need to seed it with some
market. I actually don't know who creates the market. I don't know how that works.
But let's run through like a scenario. If a team wants to be bad actor, I'm assuming they have to create the market. They have to seed it with some money, like 10K, 20K, and then I guess like create some hype around it.
To create volume.
Yeah, you have to create volume, and then create some hype around it, and then when there's, let's say, millions inside, let's say from like they only put 20K, but there's like a million inside the market. That's when they can gamify it, basically, right? So then they can like add another like 10K, but then like that 10K they can turn it into like a mil, and then that's how they crime it in the short term, basically.
Yes and no, but the thing is you have to attract enough people on the opposite side, which is the hard part. Which is the hard part. Yeah. So the common strategy is that like how much money can you raise? Is it 500K, 1 mil, which is more realistic goal? Then you have something like 2 mil, 5 mil, 20 mil. 20 mil, and then like, and then, but the 20 mil is like, you think it's impossible, right? So everyone's gonna be like, oh yeah, it's a risk-free 3%, and then in the last minute you just batch that thing in, and then you just make money off that, basically.
Got it. Yeah, no, like I think a lot of even investors need to look at that, because I think every time there's a new market, it creates an opportunity for people who want to be bad actor. If you remember 3 years ago, there's so many teams who are sibling their own airdrop.
Yes.
I'm not going to name who, but yeah.
Is it not still the same case?
Still, but I think 3 years ago, it was so much more effective and almost like to an insane level. Like now, I think it's like, you can see like bubble maps, like, trying to like, look at these wallets, they're like correlated. But like 3 years ago, it's like, no one cares, man. Crazy. Yeah. Right.
Yeah, it's hard, bro. It's hard. It's hard to make money nowadays, man. It's hard to make money nowadays.
Yeah, dude. I want to close by saying, by sharing one last topic that's a bit more less trenchy, but it's not that interesting. But I think it might be a common pattern. Did you see the news? 2 hours ago or somehow, Hashed, the biggest like Korean VC firm, Hashed, is launching an L1 apparently for like the local economy or like for the government or something like that. And I'm like, yo, paradigm with tempo. Hashed doing this. I'm like, VCs are gonna be L1s. Like, I think that's my next prediction. Like, if you have a strong relationship with either the government or you have a very like regional. Okay, for the US, right? Oh, it's like capital market, but it's already like fair, blah blah. Of course, if you're Paradigm, then your closest friend are like Stripe and Tempo. But like, I can absolutely see some Dubai funds like launching an L1 for the Emirates or something like that. Yeah.
Is this it?
Yeah.
Damn. Wait.
Bro, they're launching L1 again, man.
Agent, not stablecoin chain. AI agent, bruh. Wow. Respect. Right. Like, I think Hash needs some money, man. Like, they haven't made that much money since like the play to earn days, I think.
Luna, right? Luna, yeah. Man, okay. Jeez. If I do end up launching an L1, I'll let you know.
Hey, let's ping 4 pillars to come on to talk about this.
Actually, yeah, sure. Yeah.
Like what? I don't. What does it do? Like what's so?
I don't know. I mean, we can read that. Okay. The missing piece, blah, blah, the absence of sovereign platform, blah, 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 global, blah, blah, blah. So this is playing into, okay, now we are becoming geopolitics podcast. I'm just kidding. But it's like playing into like this thesis of like, yo, the country should own their own thing, right? It's like more of like the nationalism. So like, yeah, like if there's no sovereign L1, then like everything is we're just going to be renters, we're just going to be using Tempo and Stripe. And then the Americans are going to control the money flow again. And so
this is is literally like 3G, 4G, 5G infrastructure all over again. Like,
you're right. Yeah. Yes. Yeah.
Yeah.
I like how that's your like analogy, bro. You should make a short based on that. You know, like blockchain is like 3G, 4G, 5G, right? And then you turn yourself into like a girl. So.
I wrote this message to my friend like 2 years ago, 3 years ago. Like I'm not even LARPing. Like I'm telling you right now, ETH and Solana might look like it's the shit, but like if you think about it, right, like because I'm a fat app guy, I've always been a fat app guy because like you like if you look back in the internet days, right, obviously there's only a few top winners that were in the infra game, but like apps are the one that can capture the world's actual money, and then that's how you can make more money as an investor typically, because like infra is typically backed by like either regulations or like some sort of other modes, and that's what I'm saying by like eventually we have to rotate out of ETH and Solana in general. But yeah, there might be a different case lah. But that's how I always seen like blockchains, in my opinion.
That's cool. Okay, like let's find. What?
Do you still have time, by the way?
Yeah.
Can you? What are your thoughts on the Nasdaq to 24-hour trading thing? Actually,
I mean, okay, my thoughts. Like, I honestly don't have complete thoughts. Like, I think it's just like one, it's like inevitable. It's just gonna go there. You know, like they know that if they don't do it, like slowly, like the secondary markets would go there and so on. So it's like inevitable. I'm not as surprised. I do think we are starting to see these massive move from like TradFi this year. Like ever since like the NYSE investors in like Polymarket, they seem to be a lot more like ambitious at like making sure that stocks are trading 24/7 and they're like up to date with like all of these stuff. My view on this is that I think, okay, like this might be a bit of like a long stretch, but I'm sure you've seen a lot of tweets around like around IBKR, Interactive Broker, how they have like insane margins, 60-70%. They now accept stablecoin deposits, blah, blah. I think now it's almost like obvious that if you're the established players and you have the distribution, then you still win. It's just that like how they can get more users by, you know, like allowing stablecoin deposits, allowing 24/7 trading, or like 24/5 tradings and so on. So yeah, like not as like how too long, right? Like no, you can't. Like that's the annoying part. It's just like I think now this would make the entire world more degen. That's the main takeaway.
I don't know. I was just thinking about the dynamic, right? Does that mean all market makers have to be more around the clock, like trading shops, support everything with double? But would that bring in even more volume? I don't know.
Actually,
and
that's
regulation wise, I don't know. I don't know how to read this basically. Like how are they doing this? Are they like there must be some infra in US stocks that you can long, but it's probably not something that I can do.
Okay, we might need more time for this, but like your last statement, will this make on-chain trading more like obsolete? I think the answer is no, or like it needs to move more into on-chain trading. One of the best guy that I've followed his tweets and thinking lately, and I really recommend you and like all of the other people, is what's his name? The founder of like Figure. So he's like a legendary fintech dude even before like crypto. Let me find his. So he's like the best, probably like one of the best fintech founders, even from like Web2, Mike Cagney. Okay, so he was the co-founder of SoFi, right? Crazy. And then the Provenance blockchain. And then now Figure, bro. Like, what the hell? Right? Yeah.
Wait, Provenance blockchain? Damn.
Yeah.
Okay. What is he doing
this
now?
Guy's like, Figure, they're the biggest like lender. This is like the prime RWA on Solana. But they're basically doing like on-chain, they're doing lending with like on-chain technology, like mostly doing like mortgage and so on. If you looked at this data, okay, let me just be very, very quick on this.
I know what Provenance chain is. Someone asked me to hold on, Kimberly.
If you looked at RWA.xyz, right, this data,
like they're the biggest mortgage guys or something like that, right?
Yeah. Sorry, I just want to show like was it not showing by yeah, but like they were at the top for sure, because this is by, yeah, let me find it later. Okay, but like anyway, if you read his tweets, he has a lot of really, really good thoughts around, let's say, like the market microstructure and how things should change and work when it comes down to like, okay, like right now, like tokenization is boring, he said, because you're just wrapping the asset, bring it on chain, like that's it. But that doesn't solve like the custodian, the settlement for trading, blah, blah. They are actually trying to issue new stock, new equity directly on chain and stuff like that. So that's why like I want to bring attention to these folks, because I think they're one of the few that like really understands like how both sides of the world works. So that's why when you say, is this going to make on-chain trading like obsolete because people are just going to trade 24/5, 24/7 on like a New York Stock Exchange? I don't think so, because like as long as it's still in the traditional stock exchange and they don't adopt like on-chain stuff, then it will not be different at all. Now the only argument is that, are all of them going to only launch on like Provenance, on like, or are they going to be connected to like Ethereum, Solana, Tempo, and so on? I think we are betting that they will be forced to connect to like public blockchains too. Like they cannot just stay on like their own circle. Yeah,
I agree. I like this. I don't know. Do you know them?
Not like personally, but yeah, like I have some like second degree. Like I'm really trying to find that tweet, but anyway, yeah.
I would love to learn more by chatting with them, to be honest.
Let me try. It might be a bit harder, but yeah.
All right. Anything else you did this week before we wrap things up?
No, so far so good. Like going back into the circuit, the travel circuit next month, so we'll see how it goes.
Okay, sounds good, bro.
Cool, man. All right.